Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Just a quick video on a couple of house coats that I usually put on my mother, just easier. And bought these off of course, Amazon. And let's see, this one's a zipper, long sleeve, sort of quilted. This looks like it's going to fit her. She's gotten a little bit, add some weight, and I always find it difficult to get the right size. Seems like the size is always changing, or the way they categorize the size here. This one here, actually this says 2X. I thought I ordered a 3X. Well, that looks like it's going to fit her. I know in the past I've ordered some 3X. So let's see what we have here. Here's another one. I think I ordered 3X's and they were too large. I think that's what happened. And I returned them and got the 2X. So these are good for these look like good for the winter. Is what I was thinking about when I ordered these. I sort of need to get some lighter ones for the summertime. But yeah, that's what I tend to put on her. So hopefully after going through the wash, these are going to be just right. So yeah, this is what I tend to put on her. And I have some that have buttons. I got zippers on this. I wonder why I did that. I usually, well, it's always difficult to find stuff, but just thought I'd show you these things. These house coats, kind of convenient to put on disabled people, or people with any type of disability here that are having trouble. I mean, I could have her wear this, I put sweatpants on and then just have her wear this during the course of the day. Yeah, and I purchased these. I get them with pockets. She likes to put Kleenex in the pocket here, so it's always accessible. And I'm always forgetting to check for the Kleenex before I do the wash, and it ends up getting over everything. But looks like this purchase turned out okay. If memory serves me correctly, the 3X's were too large. So hopefully these will work out. Yeah, so hope you found this video helpful. If you haven't already, please subscribe, like, and or comment, and thanks for watching.